Today, let's make an Instagram carousel post for a restaurant menu. Welcome to Designing Graphics. I hope you like today's design. A carousel is basically an Instagram post with more than one photo or video where you swipe left to see the next one. Carousels get a lot more engagement than single posts as they make the audience to stay on a post longer. Now, when this is a seamless carousel, it feels like it is one long image rather than individual photos. To create this the easy way, you actually do create one long image and then break it up later on. Today's design is a carousel with 4 square images of 1080 pixels each. So when you create the design, it needs to fit in 4 set squares. The height of the canvas remains the same, 1080 pixels. The width is the number of images multiplied by the length. So that is 4 times 1080 pixels, which adds up to a total image size of 4320 by 1080 pixels. If you wanted 5 images, then the width would be 5 times 1080, making the design 5400 by 1080 pixels. Once you have the canvas, divide it into 4 parts. For this, go to File, Settings, and then turn on Guides and Rulers. Add a square of 1080 by 1080 pixels and place it on the extreme left. Now, pull a guide, move it to the right edge of the square. It will easily snap into place. Move the square and repeat the process. I find this to be the easiest way to add guides at the perfect position. I'll keep the square on the left as it will help to align the other elements later on. Okay, let's change the background to a light blue. I will add a wave-like image that will span all 4 sections. Change the color to slightly darker than the background. Once it's in place, lock this photo so that it doesn't move and send it to the back. I still need this square for alignment, but don't actually want to see it, so I'll make it transparent. Moving on, I've pre-made this sample logo and I'll place this in the top center. Here is where the transparent square will be helpful. You can align the logo to the square's center. Now let's add the main text, Drinks Menu. I'm using 2 typefaces in this entire design, Playlist Script and Futura. The colors will be an orange and a blue. Let's write a line about the happy hour timings. Below this, I'll add some contact information. Moving on to the next page, I'll add the actual menu. Each section will be for one type of drink, and I'll add some images and adjust them till I like where they are. Make sure to place some of the elements over the dividing lines. This will give the seamless look at the end. Perfect. Only a few things to go. On the first page, let's add a small arrow to show that it needs to be swiped left. Look for some images that are line drawings. Change the color to blue and bring down the transparency so that they are just faintly visible. And I think that's good to go. Now let's divide this into 4 separate images. For this, download the design as a PNG. For cutting, I'm using the Instagram grid maker on the website My Social Boutique. A quick Google search will give you many similar websites. Upload the design, select Carousel and change this to 4. Download each image. When you do upload these on Instagram, they'll make a seamless carousel. Just make sure that the order is correct. Let's take a final look at our design. Thanks a lot for watching the full video. Please give it a like and drop a comment if you found this useful. Subscribe for more of design tutorials with Canva. That's it for today. Until next time, take care.